Hello. Right, this is me recording through the iPhone.
Hopefully this time the audio records, because the
Cardo app seems to spaz out after a second
or
or
two. So we'll see what this one does. Let's
two. Head back towards home.
and just see
See how long this thing stays recording.
it will probably stop again for some reason. Who knows? Oh, somebody's singing behind me. Bloody hell.
Hopefully my phone doesn't fall out my pocket. So, I'm hoping this is recording through the cardo yet again. Still experimenting with this setup to see what's going to work. Hopefully when my GoPro mic turns up, I'll fucking piss him out with this bullshit. So this is, so you see how it goes. Test, you know, experimente. One thing bugging me with this helmet, and it makes like this noise, like plastic noise. Obviously it's a fucking plastic helmet, but it's like a ticking fucking, you know, when you just move and, I don't know, it sounds like something's hitting off it all the time. But it sounds like this plastic's flexing. That's what it sounds like. Like when you flex plastic, it makes that weird noise. Maybe all helmets do that, but I don't know. Plenty is plenty. Everywhere 20 is plenty. Probably because there's potholes everywhere, that's probably why 20 is plenty. They spent as much money putting the 20-mile-an-hour signs up everywhere as fixing the roads. I don't think we'd have half the carry-ons we do. Damage to the cars and bikes and whatever. Driving on the surface of the moon sometimes. But on this bike I'm not really bothered, I just smash through everything. Just fucking... Very nice today. Ride through the speed bump with 20 mile an hour. Oh, having our dogs not on leads. There. My dog runs out in front of me and I just run the wee bastard over. My fault, wasn't it? Biker up ahead. Catch him. I see him. Mile up ahead. Right, blur my speed away. Slow down for the mile an hour speed limit. Leading up to the junction. Down 40, but come on, you can let me off with that, fuck's sake. And our bike friend has taken off again. Assuming my iPhone is still recording audio, but you never know whether he sounds. Like I said, technology. Who knows what the fuck it's doing? At least the bike works. That's the main thing. This guy's fucking holding up the planet. Back a wee bit. Oh, at least we pop off the exhaust there by it. Pop! Wee burbles, right? Well, I want the GoPro mic for it so I can stick it in my pocket. You can get the noise of the bike rather than fucking wind noise all the time. I don't know how the angle of this new chin mount setup is going to look, so be interested to see when I review the footage. Big cruiser bike here, like. Head nod. Nice to be nice, you know. Yeah, I'm probably talking a load of shite in this audio, but it's like I said, it's an experiment. I don't really have much to talk about other than GoPro microphone is not here yet, which I am not happy about. But I can't do anything about that because UPS is a fucking piss take. Nothing there, nothing there. Wait, that tyre noise there. Weird fucking whistling noise. Definitely got a wee hum off these tyres, that's for sure. I'll turn off here, fuck it. Bike makes such a good noise. It sounds so. Here we go. 40's plenty this time. You'll notice the speedo on this bike always reads higher than what you're actually doing. The Garmin says I'm doing 43 miles an hour, the speedo says I'm doing 47, 46. Speedo's out, obviously. Okay, yep, hasn't fallen out.